Hey, my trading friends, how are you all doing? Let's look at a currency pair and an indice. We're going to start with the dollar index. Okay. So, dealing with the dollar index was really important to understand is that just at this moment, price is in a downtrend. Okay. And we really want to be careful in this area because she is at an area where price could go up longer, but we don't want to deal with that unless that just happens, right? That's a whole other story. Okay, but let's talk about what's going on right now, currently in the market. Okay, right now we can see that price is making lower lows and lower highs, and we really don't want to buy against that. What we want to do is see if price can continue to go down. We want to see if price can stay below $104.21. We have that pullback. If you watch my previous video, I talked about this pullback that might need to happen. And here we go. We're getting that pullback that needed to happen. Okay. Now, here's what I'm looking at. I think tomorrow, which is Friday, is going to be a very important day because price is touching the candlestick attached to $104.21, which is an inverted hammer. And we need to watch price here. We need to see if tomorrow how price is going to close. This is really important. Tomorrow's candle closure on the daily is going to be very important. Okay. Here's why. If tomorrow shows us some type of bearish significance, this will be, telling on what can happen for next week. All right. So that's why I'm talking about this. But all in all, the dollar is down. We just want to see if we're going to get some more downward momentum. Not going to look for a reversal unless price passes $100, $104.21. Not even going to look at a buy. But let's look at Euro USD. Now, I bought Euro USD. What it was based on this candlestick right before Thanksgiving, and I got stopped out at break even on this potential trade. Okay, so I was able to get something out of it, a little bit of profit, but I'm still say break even, right? Um, but this is a really good buying position. I was hoping that price could go up a little bit more, and it still could go up a little bit more, right? But anyway, so price on this pair is above one. It's right now trading above $1.08, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high. What does this mean? Price is in an uptrend. Tomorrow's candle closure is going to be really important too, because if it's bullish, and bullish doesn't always mean a green candlestick. Okay. I really do want to point that out. Every time I teach on price, I do teach that you shouldn't just look at candlestick colors. I am a firm believer that you should look at the character of the candle just like a person. For example, what pushed price to go up on this daily time frame? You can say, well, it was this hammer. If you take the color out of the candlestick, you will see that after this hammer form, price went up and it was a bearish hammer. Same thing here. There's another hammer that's bearish right here. That one candlestick, boom, push price up. This one candlestick here, boom, push price up. Trading isn't always about red and green. It's not always about bullish, bearish. It really is about people, right? But anyway, what we want to see is if the same thing can happen. So I am looking at buys on Euro USD. I really won't fix my mind on sales unless price can pass $1.08. So I will be looking to see how price closes tomorrow, but I will be looking more so at the 12-hour time frame. Y'all can see, like I'm already setting up positions to see what could happen, but I'm just going to erase this here, okay? Because what I'm looking at is to see how can price close tomorrow at for me it's 5 o'clock a.m. If price gives me some type of sign that the bulls want to take control, then I will be a buyer back up to the highs and higher. Okay. Especially if, like I said, tomorrow we can see some sort of bearish evidence that price wants to go down. So this is just keeping the charts clean, keeping them simple, and just focusing on the price movement itself. Okay. If y'all have any questions, there is a comment section at the bottom of this video that y'all can type and y'all can let me know. Okay. If you have a question, just go ahead and ask it there. And I would like to know your what do you think about the dollar and what do you think about Euro USD? And please positive comments only because we're all trading friends here, right? Nothing wrong with having a really good conversation. But yeah, you guys be blessed.